Hidden deep in the Negev Desert, Israel's Nevatim Airbase isn't just another military facility, it's a fortress of cutting-edge technology and top-secret operations. From stealth fighter jets to advanced drone programs, what happens here could change the balance of power in the Middle East. Stay tuned as we uncover the shocking facts Israel never wants you to know. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of Israel's most secretive and strategically vital military locations, the Nevatim Airbase. Situated in the heart of the Negev Desert, this base is shrouded in secrecy, yet it serves as a cornerstone of Israel's national defense. Over the years, Nevatim has transformed into the hub of Israel's most advanced aerial operations, housing cutting-edge aircraft like the F-35I Adir stealth fighters, which give Israel unparalleled air dominance. But the base isn't just about aircraft, it's also central to the development and deployment of advanced drones, experimental technologies, and rapid response operations. Its strategic importance stretches beyond national defense, influencing regional power dynamics and Israel's military readiness. In this video, we'll reveal shocking facts about Nevatim that most people don't know. From its secretive hangars to elite pilot training programs and state-of-the-art drone operations, every corner of Nevatim hides a story of advanced military engineering and strategic foresight. By the end, you'll understand why this base is considered one of the most formidable military assets in the world and why Israel invests so heavily in its secrecy and security. Nevatim Air Base's location in southern Israel is a critical element of its operational advantage. Nestled in the expansive Negev Desert, the base benefits from wide, open airspace, ideal for high-speed flight exercises, stealth missions, and advanced drone operations. Its proximity to the borders of Egypt, Gaza, and southern Syria allows Israel to respond swiftly to any regional threat. This strategic positioning also enables coordinated defense across multiple fronts, linking Nevatim with other Israeli air bases for rapid deployment and mission planning. The desert terrain adds a natural layer of security, concealing critical infrastructure and making reconnaissance by foreign intelligence much more difficult. Additionally, Nevatim is situated far from densely populated areas, minimizing civilian risk during high-intensity training and advanced technological tests. Military planners have long recognized the value of this location for both defensive and offensive operations. The combination of geographic advantage and secrecy ensures that Nevatim can operate under near total discretion, protecting sensitive technologies from prying eyes. Its placement reinforces Israel's aerial dominance, making the base a linchpin in regional security and a formidable deterrent against potential adversaries. The desert may look empty, but every inch of Nevatim's location is optimized for tactical superiority. Nevatim Air Base is renowned for its fleet of F-35I Adir stealth fighters, considered some of the most advanced aircraft in the world. These jets are customized versions of the American F-35, tailored specifically for Israeli operational needs. Equipped with stealth technology, advanced sensors, and precision-guided weaponry, the F-350I provides a decisive edge in aerial combat. The base also houses F-16I Sukhoi fighters, which remain highly capable and continue to complement Israel's modern fleet. Beyond manned aircraft, Nevatim serves as a hub for drone operations, integrating UAVs into coordinated missions with fighter jets. This combination allows Israel to maintain air superiority while gathering critical intelligence. Hangars at Nevatim are outfitted with advanced maintenance facilities, enabling rapid upgrades and repairs that ensure aircraft are always combat ready. Pilots and engineers work closely to implement cutting-edge avionics and stealth modifications, keeping the fleet ahead of global competitors. Analysts note that the synergy between manned fighters and drones creates a multi-layered defense and attack capability that few nations can rival. At Nevatim, Aircraft aren't just parked on runways, they are part of a sophisticated system designed to control the skies, gather intelligence, and strike with precision when necessary. Nevatim is at the forefront of Israel's advanced drone program, serving as the testing ground and deployment hub for some of the most sophisticated UAVs in the world. These drones perform a wide range of operations, from intelligence gathering and reconnaissance to precision strikes and electronic warfare. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, radar systems, and autonomous navigation, these UAVs can operate in challenging environments while transmitting real-time data back to command centers. The base also experiments with AI-assisted flight systems, allowing drones to coordinate with manned aircraft and execute complex missions independently. Engineers and pilots conduct rigorous testing of new drone designs, integrating cutting-edge technology to enhance range, speed, and operational stealth. Drones at Nevatim extend Israel's surveillance capabilities across the Middle East, providing critical intelligence on potential threats and enemy movements. Their integration with fighter jets enables multi-layered mission execution, combining the reach of UAVs with the precision of human pilots. This technological edge allows Israel to monitor large territories without risking personnel, making drones an essential component of Nevatim's operational strategy. The base's dedication to innovation ensures that Israel remains a global leader in unmanned aerial technology, with Nevatim at the center of this revolution. Nevatim Airbase serves as the central hub for training Israel's elite pilots, preparing them for the most complex aerial combat and reconnaissance missions. Pilots undergo intense simulations that combine real flight exercises with advanced virtual training modules, ensuring they can respond to a wide range of scenarios. The base's vast desert airspace allows for high-speed maneuvers, stealth operations, and precision strike training without endangering civilians. Coordinated exercises between manned aircraft and drones are standard, reflecting modern warfare's integrated approach. Pilots learn how to conduct multi-layered operations, blending aerial combat with intelligence collection and electronic warfare. Rapid response drills simulate real-world crises, teaching personnel to react within minutes to unexpected threats. Engineers and pilots work together during these exercises to test new technologies and operational strategies. This combination of advanced equipment, realistic training, and strategic planning makes Nevatim a center of excellence in the Israeli Air Force. Its operations ensure that Israel maintains both the skill and technological advantage necessary to secure the skies. Every flight drill and simulation conducted here contributes to a force that is agile, lethal, and prepared for any potential regional conflict, reinforcing Nevatim's status as a critical military asset. Nevatim is more than a base for aircraft. It is a hub for intelligence, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. Many of the drones and fighter jets deployed from Nevatim carry advanced surveillance equipment capable of detecting enemy movements, tracking missile launches, and intercepting communications. The base's real-time data feeds go directly to command centers, enabling rapid decision-making and preemptive strategies. Signals intelligence, a SIGMT, and an electronic warfare capabilities are integrated into daily operations, giving Israel a significant advantage in monitoring threats across the region. Analysts believe that information gathered at Nevatim has been critical in past operations, from intercepting potential attacks to coordinating defensive and offensive missions. The synergy between manned aircraft, drones, and intelligence analysts allows the Israeli military to maintain situational awareness over vast areas. The base's intelligence infrastructure also supports testing new surveillance technologies, AI-assisted monitoring, and predictive algorithms that enhance threat assessment. Nevatim's combination of technology and strategic placement ensures that Israel can detect and respond to potential threats faster than any regional adversary, making it an indispensable part of the country's defense network. The strategic significance of Nevatim Airbase extends far beyond Israel's borders. Its advanced aircraft and drone capabilities allow Israel to project air power quickly and decisively across the Middle East. The base acts as a deterrent, signaling to potential adversaries that Israel possesses rapid response capabilities, stealth technology, and intelligence superiority. Nevatim also plays a role in Israel's alliances, showcasing technological advancements to partners such as the United States and reinforcing military collaboration. Its ability to integrate manned jets, drones, and intelligence operations ensures that Israel can maintain air dominance while minimizing civilian risk during complex missions. Military analysts emphasize that Nevatim's capabilities allow Israel to control critical airspace, secure borders, and carry out precision operations with minimal exposure. The base's impact is not just operational, but also psychological. Regional adversaries recognize Nevatim as a symbol of Israel's military readiness, deterring potential aggression. Its strategic contributions strengthen both defensive and offensive postures, making the airbase an essential element in Israel's ability to influence regional stability and protect national interests. In essence, Nevatim is a force multiplier, ensuring Israel's dominance in the skies and reinforcing its broader security architecture. What sets Nevatim apart are the hidden projects that remain classified from the public. Beyond the visible fleet of F-35Is and drones, the base reportedly hosts experimental technologies, including advanced radar systems, stealth modifications, and possibly directed energy or laser programs. Some sources suggest AI-assisted combat systems are being tested, enabling drones and aircraft to coordinate autonomously during complex missions. Reinforced underground hangars protect these projects from surveillance, while specialized labs allow engineers to experiment with cutting-edge materials, sensors, and avionics. The base's secrecy extends to operational protocols, ensuring that new technologies are trialed without exposing them to foreign intelligence. Analysts believe these hidden experiments give Israel a significant edge in aerial warfare innovation. Every innovation developed at Nevatim, from drones to stealth enhancements, is tested under real operational conditions, creating an environment where technology and tactics evolve together. While the public may see only aircraft on the runway, insiders describe Nevatim as a technological incubator where Israel prepares for the future of warfare, blending human expertise with autonomous systems to maintain dominance over regional threats. Nevatim Airbase is far more than a conventional military facility. It is the beating heart of Israel's aerial defense and technological innovation. Its strategic location, elite pilot training, advanced aircraft, drone operations, intelligence gathering, and hidden experimental projects combine to make it one of the most formidable air bases in the world. The base's influence extends across regional power dynamics, shaping both defensive and offensive capabilities. Every aircraft, drone, and technological breakthrough reflects Israel's commitment to maintaining superiority in modern warfare. For analysts, military enthusiasts, and the general public alike, Nevatim offers a glimpse into the future of combat, a blend of precision, speed, and cutting-edge technology operating under strict secrecy. Understanding Nevatim allows us to appreciate not only Israel's military innovation, but also the strategic thinking that ensures its survival in a complex geopolitical environment. If you found this deep dive into Nevatim Airbase fascinating, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe for more exclusive military insights. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos exploring secret military installations and advanced defense technology around the world.